Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch account on Discord PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, open up your Discord on your PC and then you're going to go to your Discord profile right here and there will be switch accounts menu. Just tap on that and then you can add multiple accounts to your Discord application. If you want to add account, just click on add account right here. You can add your email or phone number and then password and then continue. And if you want to switch from one account to another account, just go to the switch account menu and you can select the account that you want to activate. That you want to use. And this is my active account right now. Okay, and that's how we can switch account on Discord PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.